So here we have our Flex Ultrasound. Right now we have a convex rectal probe plugged in. We're just going to turn it on here with the power button, and you'll see our logo for a moment before you get your probe reading. Then if you want to change your depth, use the right and left arrows, so that'll change your depth. And if you want to change your focus, you use the up and down arrows, so you either go up or down. If you then want to change other settings, you press the menu button here. The one that's most common is probably your frequency. The higher the frequency, the better the image and the smaller depth you have. And so you can change your frequency by using the right and left arrows, and you can go down to frequency by using the up and down arrows. Same thing with the frame speed, which is called frame average on the screen. You go left and right to change it, up and down to get to it. Yeah, those are the most common settings that we change, and that's how you do them.